Good day all. This week DXY Technical Analysis. Yeah, this is for our time frame. See what this fulfilled actually. This fair value gap here. This is fulfilled last week because of news and all these things. So this week we are expecting maybe it will give some small correction, come down. It will go up. Yeah, this week be careful about DXY. Okay, maybe it will give small correction here. Fall based on the setup, based on the initially Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe it will give impulsively. Maybe it can go like this also, like this also it will go. Initially, first 1 or 2 days, you can look for the buy setup. Buy setup is better. Later, if you give event impulsively, it will go there. Otherwise, it will give correctively. So if I take the Fibonacci from here to here, yeah, here to here. If you go correctively like this, then can look for they can close the buy setup and look for the sell setup. Okay, thank you.